right, everyone, we finally have a winner for the Arc Captain Welder giveaway. The second part, the one that we are personally giving away. The winner is Chris Carlson. Congratulations, Chris. You get the Arc Captain AC/DC TIG Welder, the Arc Captain mask, and the foot pedal for the machine so that you can start your welding adventure. I'm going to sign the side here and we'll put a Lift Arc sticker on it, throw some merch in the box, and mail it to you. So thank you for entering. Thank you everyone that entered and supporting us and what we do here. It's our first real giveaway like this, so I'm glad it worked out and we had fun doing it. Let's defile this welder here. For what it's worth, signed it. It's on the way off to Chris. To the post office. Goodbye. All right, Chris, leaving the UPS store now. The Arc Captain Welder is on its way to you. Congratulations again. Thanks for everybody that purchased things from our site during that window. Don't forget, as fall comes up, we still sell our Lift Arc Studios long sleeve t-shirts and of course stickers. So thanks to everyone for continuing to support us. Please like and subscribe us on YouTube, and we'll see you on the next one. Good luck welding, Chris. Enjoy.